to another polling session. And in case you didn't know, I pulled Chacona. I showed this on my last vid, where account showcase. The reason why I didn't record it because I already won my. I'm already guaranteed with her because I tried to pull on the rerun banners with Jeji, but I lost the 50-50 on LinkedIn. So I'm guaranteed Shakona now. And yeah, I pulled for her. So now, okay, let's start with the main event is, in which is this lady right here, Cartitia. Okay, first and pull. What's the? Oh my God! Gold already? Oh my God! What the fuck?
Today.
Auto jump scare. Holy shit!
Client wish to inquire about today.
Let's go! Oh my God! First 10 pull already. I got her so early. What the fuck? Shit! Okay, I'm gonna start recording here. I'm gonna screenshot this. Never mind. I will screenshot in the recording later. I got her early. Holy fucking shit, bruh. Okay, let's go for the weapon now. I need to buy corals, baby. Really use this anymore. I got her early. What the fuck? That's so fucking absurd, though. That means I will get Lupa. But no, I can get Lupa. Oh. However, what's not early is her fucking weapon. This is gonna be my first limited 5-star sword, and it's not even fucking universal. Oh my God, why? Just why? Please give me the damn sword. Okay, please. Let it not go below 20k. Please. Oh. I'm super lucky at the banner, at the convene banner, but this in the weapon banner. The limited. I'm stuttering. I'm very unlucky on the weapon. Oh no! Please not like this, bro. Fuck. I messed up big time. Finally! Holy shit, bro. This fucking weapon. Oh my God, it's gonna load. Okay, yay! The Defiance turn. Oh my God. Oh well, that's, Okay, that's it for our polling session. Nice.